What's going on, guys? It's your boy Dreamer from GotBetterBeats.com, and I'm here with another video. I do apologize for the weeks that it seems like I wasn't, I've been missing videos. I had a lot going on, a lot of different things happening with the family and everything, but I'm back, and today we're going to be doing something a little different. Normally I kind of do like a beat video or something like that. So what I'm doing now is I'm working in Cubase 13. I haven't pulled the trigger on Cubase 14. I do like some of the upgrades, but I don't really know if I want to just spend 100 right now just for, some of the smaller things, because even though the drum machine is cool right now, I don't see myself fitting it into my workflow as much right now. I still kind of like using the sampler track. That way, if I pull a sample into the sample track, I have, all the different, I have all different octaves, and, I can change the key on anything like 808s. And if I want to, do snare rolls, using the high snare and the low snare, I can do that with the drum machine. It's kind of just strictly one shot right now. If they did want to update something to the drum machine, they should make it more like Machine, to where every pad, it is a one shot, but there's a keyboard mode, when you like where you can trigger it some kind of way. I don't know. And if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and make sure you comment down below what type of videos you want to see, what type of videos that I might have done in the past that you want to see more of. That way we can actually make sure we get this content out for you guys. Okay, so let me let you guys hear what I'm working on. Just a quick overview. This is actually an older song that I was going to be just releasing on Spotify and iTunes and stuff like that. Just kind of been taking some unfinished songs, or songs that I've had, years ago that I never really put out on DSPs.
Ain't no need to say a word, just hush. I'ma be there in a minute, don't rush. I've been thinking about you all day, and I'm gonna have it my way. So ain't no need to.
You kind of heard the main gist of it. It's a R&B song. I'll let you guys hear the hook in just a little bit. But what I wanted to do is because I was noticing with the mix, with the guitar is sounding a bit, to my ears, it just kind of sounds a bit, naked, in a sense. Like it just sounds like it really is not as warm as I would like it. And I think I need to add, so I was going to add maybe some Rhodes or some lo-fi piano or something behind it, kind of make it a little R&B. And I'm thinking about changing those drums as well. So I like the way it sounds, but to me, I just feel like I need something else for the production part of it. Tripping, my bad. I'm snapping extra loud in your ear. So I went ahead and kind of laid that in a little fast. You can barely hear it, and that's really what I wanted, because I just wanted to add some warmth, because the guitar by itself, it was giving more high end, and it almost just, it didn't really sound like, the production that I was trying to really get it to sound like. So, but I need to position this. I was a little early on one of the chords. And I might space out some of these chords. So.
Ain't no need to say a word, just hush. I'ma be there in a minute, don't rush. I've been thinking about you all day, and I'm gonna have it my way. So ain't no need to say a word, just hush. I'ma be there in a minute, don't rush. I've been thinking about you all day, and I'm gonna have it my way.
And I'm gonna just remove these tracks for right now. That way, every time I unmute, it's not going to. All right, let's see what it sounds like. I mean, honestly, it's starting to really sound like a whole nother song. To me, it seems like it, but let me get some of these sounds leveled out and see if I can do anything with it, or did I kind of make it sound like another song?
Ain't no need to say a word, just hush.
That 808 might be too, might be too trap house special for that. So, let me just mute it right now and see what it sounds like with the kick.
Ain't no need to say a word, just hush. I'ma be there in a minute, don't rush. I've been thinking.
Okay, for one, that kick, is to me is throwing off, the rhythm of it. So when it's switching over, something's happening. Oh, that's what it is. Smallest things, man. Smallest things.
Ain't no need to say a word, just hush.
Okay, so I'm gonna put the snap in there, because I think the snap was just kind of signature. I might have that snare hiding in the chorus, and I hope you guys are enjoying this. Let me know down in the comments if you enjoy this, or if you just like a start from scratch type of video when it comes to beats. Let me know. So and I kind of did this for a couple reasons. For one, I know some of you guys was like, man, I didn't know that you sing, man. That's crazy. So, I thought that I'll let you hear, some stuff.
Ain't no need to say a word, just hush. I'ma be there in a